Hello, it's me, Tommy, and today I'm going to show you my new desk setup. So, right here I've got my TV right there. My antenna is sitting on top of the bookcase right here. Then I've got my DVD player and Blu-ray player right there. Then I got my Xbox right there, and then I got my computer right, one of my computers right there, and the VCR right there. And of course I got that as well. Then I've got the Chromebook right there. I've got the monitor sitting there for my other computer. Oh, here's the keyboard and mouse for this computer, and this is the keyboard and mouse for the other computer. And this is it right here. You've probably seen this one in one of my videos already, but yeah, I now got it sitting right there, and I got the monitor, keyboard, and mouse hooked up. And of course I got the color changing lights underneath the desk. This is the remote control to control that right here. I can either go through each individual color, or I could have it cycle like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. So yeah, if you want to subscribe, you can hit the notification bell as well if you want, and you can like, dislike, and comment on the video as well. So yeah, that's it for me and my desk setup, and yeah, alright, bye.